Hello, Charles here from CRVing Adventures. I just wanted to do a quick overview on how I attached the ARB awning to my Yakima CoreBar crossbars on my 2005 Honda CRV. It was actually pretty simple. I ended up getting the Yakima SlimShady mounting hardware, and with a little bit of modification and drilling, I was able to get those to fit on the back of the ARB awning. And I've used these for about 6 months now on my crossbars. And matter of fact, even took a trip out of state not too long ago. And so far it has worked well. And the mounting process is pretty easy. And of course, with the Yakima mounting hardware, they're lock and key. So it does add a bit of deterrence from anybody trying to steal your awning. Let me go ahead and show you right quick how it's mounted to the vehicle, and then I'll pull the awning down and show you how the Yakima hardware, how I modified it to work with the ARB awning and the track system on the back of it. Alright, let me pull down the awning, and I'll join you back when I have it down, setting on a table, and I'll show you exactly what I did to make the ARB awning work with the Yakima hardware. Alright, I've got the awning down off the crossbars and sitting on the table, and I just wanted to demonstrate how I was able to use the Yakima SlimShady mounting hardware on the back of the ARB awning. And if you notice, here's the original hardware holes for the Yakima awning, and if you notice where they sit, the ARB awning, the track on the back, is actually a little bit wider than the Yakima SlimShady awning. And so with that said, you do have to either drill out a notch. I'm not going to remove the hardware to show you, but you can kind of get the gist of it. You can drill out a notch here, or drill a fresh hole. Like I even considered, if I needed to, drilling a third hole here to you know, that would sit flush with this this track right here. And now on the bottom, you'll see there's a plate that actually sits in there, and it goes all the way across. That actually holds it on the bottom of the track, and then the top is held on by these nuts and bolts. And so far, it's been very secure. Like I say, I have taken it out of state on camping trips, and I have had it attached for 6 months and no issues. The other thing I like about it too is with the adjustable clamp, it will fit on just about any crossbar, I would imagine. It definitely works with the Yakima CoreBars, or probably any aerodynamic styled crossbars. It also works, I'm sure, on a square or even the round bars. And then also, if you notice, it comes with a SKS lock core. But to me, I found this was the best option to at least work with my particular crossbars. I have seen where people fabricate their own mounts to go with square or round crossbars. However, you know, a lot of those actually required drilling into the crossbars, and I wasn't willing to do that on at least the CoreBars. For one, I'm not sure how that would have worked, just because of the shape of the CoreBars. But it has worked well, and you know, hopefully with this, if you like me and you were struggling on how to attach an awning, if you wanted an awning, to your aerodynamic styled crossbars, maybe this will give you an idea on how you can do that. I got lucky and I snagged the mounting hardware for the Yakima SlimShady, these two mounting brackets. I was able to get on, I believe it was eBay, and I got them both for $50. And the only thing that they did not come with was the SKS locks did not have the key with them. So I did have to order the key. I pulled the lock out, was able to get the number off the lock, and was able to order in another key. But with that said, you know, it does work, and it works well. It works well for me. And yeah, keep in touch on my channel, and I'll be posting more modifications and detailed on my interior of my camper conversion inside the CRV. Thanks for watching.